to work on the computer. It's hard in this part. It's hard getting past this computer. It's hard. Oh, I think what's wrong is this thing is power's low. I think powering it. I think no gas is in it. The gas computer. Now I think this that one. Oh, that's why. Because this thing is not in. That's what's wrong. You know what's wrong here, Mom? You know what was wrong? This thing's not in.
Oh.
That's what's wrong with the customer's computer.
You gonna fix it?
Yep. I think I can do it. First I have to get this last screw out. Well, this one's hard. This one probably is annoyed.